In this lesson we'll go through footings. Let's go and use the option strip footings attached to walls. This is the easiest way to put them under existing walls. So if you just go and find the size footing you want, you can right click and edit it before you put it in, or have a predefined one in there, and you can set up basically a square or rectangular solid type, tapered. There's two types of tapered and two types of fillet. And actually the appearance is the same as any other element in the Envisioneer, where you can set up a texture and a hatch pattern and your line type for each component in the element. Under quantities, and actually if it's ticked here, the quantities will come off in your quantity report. Okay, so I want to go and use the option footings by attaching them to walls. So the easiest way is to actually display none and then turn on the walls and the footings, so that you're not being picking other objects or elements when you're trying to pick the walls. So now if I go and pick strip footings by attaching them to a wall, all I have to do is just pick, and you notice the hidden line went in. If I pick this one here, and I just have to work my way around the building, picking each wall, and I'm probably a little bit far out. It's a better option if you can zoom in, but I'm just staying out as far as I can so that you can see what's happening. And just work your way around the building until it comes back to the beginning, and I'll just grab that one there, and there you have it. There's my strip footings. Right click and finish. That's for the external. Internal, basically what you can do is just go strip footings by picking points and go and grab an internal thickening beam, and it works basically similar to walls, whereas it'll sort of lock in to an existing footing, and you can sort of work your way around and place those wherever you want to. Okay, so that's footings by picking points, putting footings in, attaching them to walls. With your mono footings, basically you've got the option of basically coming in and just whacking a footing in wherever you might require the footing, or you've got a footing or a mono footing attached to a column. So we want that one and we want it attached to that column. We pick the column and it'll attach itself underneath the footing. So what I might do, just to show you that in a better format, I'll just go and put a post out here and come into it a bit closer, then go and grab the mono footing, grab the footing I want, pick the post, and you'll see basically that that's actually put the post in with the footing at the bottom. Okay, so that's basically strip footings and pad or mono footings. Quite easy. Just have a play with that, and that's all for that lesson. Thank you.